So take 2 of trying to get to the boat.
Our names are Mike and Heather. We're traveling the US in our van Appa on a mission to visit all 50 states. Subscribe and join us as we try to figure out this whole van life thing. Thanks for watching.
Still trying to find all the things that we need for today, but we are in Disney World.
We are getting ready to head over to our first park, which is Magic Kingdom. It is a little after 8 in the morning, so we're running a little bit late as always, but I think we're gonna catch a bus over to the park and start our first magical Disney day.
Because we're staying on Disney property at Fort Wilderness campsites, we were actually able to get into the parks a little bit earlier than regular guests. Even though we're running late, it might just work itself out to it. We're gonna be there on time.
Yeah, you're able to actually take a bus in or whatever your transportation, if it's a boat or the monorail, will get you in, and then you should be there before the park officially opens to the public.
We're taking the boat. So take 2 of trying to get to the boat because we were sweating just on the walk over there, so we changed into shorts. We forgot what it's like to be in warm weather, and there's like a high of 72 today, so we're like, that's chilly, right? But no, that's warm. That's warm.
Layers today. Layers is the goal.
Layers is the key to life. So we learned that there's 2 ways to get to the boat. You can walk this path down to the opposite side of the campground, or you can take a bus to get to the boat, then to get to Magic Kingdom. So that's the plan. Looking for the orange bus to go all the way up here.
The light in your eyes comes over me just like sunlight. You
We'll go to the buses for Magic Kingdom, right? Excellent. Thank you.
just like you always do. I don't want anyone else, 'cause I know there's not anyone else that makes me feel.
Welcome aboard. Now relax and enjoy your cruise.
I don't want anyone else but you.
Causing trouble? Got your bag searched?
Because I carry the backpack, I don't think I've ever gone through and not gotten it.
Thank you. Woo, we're in. And they still have Christmas decorations up. Oh my god,
Wow.
that tree is huge.
We are in Magic Kingdom, and if we turn just this way, that's Cinderella's castle.
My face already hurts from smiling so much. It doesn't feel real that we're back actually. So now we gotta come up with a plan of action. We have some things on our list, but we have nothing planned, so we gotta attack this as fast as possible.
There's some rides we want to go on and some food we want to try. We have a full day of park magic ahead of us.
But first we obviously have to take a selfie in front of Cinderella's castle.
Welcome back, we're back to it. Welcome back, we're right back to it. We're back.
We are doing our first ride here at Magic Kingdom. We've decided on Pirates of the Caribbean.
It's also one of the ones with the shortest wait time at the current moment. Oh, it's so foggy.
It's because of all the cannon smoke.
Surrender, bloomin' cockroaches! Surrender, Captain Jack Sparrow!
So we just finished up with Pirates of the Caribbean, which was super awesome. It was even better than the last time we went on, I think. So we're leaving Adventureland and we're heading into Frontierland, where there's the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, which is going to be our first Disney coaster of the day.
So let's go get on that one. Yeah, pull it down tight. Uh-oh.
This is the wildest ride in the wilderness!
That was crazy. So we just got off the mountain ride and we're stumbling upon a parade.
It looks like a 50th celebration parade.
This is so much fun!
the 50th celebration floats, but even though Splash Mountain is closed, you can see people working on it, which is kind of cool.
Yeah.
And they're getting in on it. They were dancing. Randy got the country bears. We figured since we saw the bears, we might as well come in.
We hope that you'll be coming back again.
Don't forget to gather your belongings.
And your husband, too.
That's where we're going. Gaston! There's antlers and all of the decorating.
Our mission is that warm cinnamon roll. Thank you. All right.
Awesome. You want to eat outside or?
Yeah.
This is the snack I've been looking forward to most. Oh my gosh. I should go get a knife.
This is gigantic.
Whoa, it's so soft. Okay, I'm gonna go get a knife.
Well, then I'm gonna sneak a bite. Let's go.
Did you try mine already?
No.
Yes, you did. This is like so awesome. That is so good.
We are going to the circus.
I think we can ride the Dumbo ride here.
We made a crucial error last time. We didn't ride it and didn't realize how quintessential Disney it was, so we're gonna go fix that right now.
All right, Dumbo time. Pick a good one. All right, we're going with the blue Dumbo. I do.
I'm pretty sure we're the only ones here without small children, but it's fine.
Oh.
This is a GoPro.
Yeah. Go down really quick. Go all the way up and then down. Dive bomb.
That was pretty fun.
That was pretty good.
And we checked off a Disney classic. So Tomorrowland is next on the list, and we have no idea how to get there. So that's where we're going. Not the cars, Space Mountain.
Space Mountain passengers. Space Mountain is a thrilling, high-speed, turbulent roller coaster type ride in the dark.
We survived. And we were both very much screaming the whole time, so feel bad for whoever was in front of us.
Go! Enjoy!
Thank you. First Dole Whip experience. We got strawberry. This is really good.
Tastes like a slushie.
It kind of reminds me of like strawberry gelato. Just like that, it's all gone.
Foolish mortals, to the haunted mansion. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
Heavy music from regions beyond.
Oh man, that stuff, I think just for what it is, that's probably my favorite ride here. And it's one of my favorite rides that we've gotten to do at the Disney World locations that we've been to, so it's always a lot of fun. There's so many hidden things in there.
You literally see a new thing every single time.
Yeah, it's so cool.
We're heading to go do Philhar Magic, but getting one last glimpse at the castle before the fireworks start and things get crazy.
So we've been running around and doing a lot of stuff.
Which is what you're supposed to do at Magic Kingdom.
But we've done so many cool things. Today has been a fantastic day. Gotten snacks, rode good rides. It's been really good.
Right now we're on Main Street actually getting ready for the firework display. We camped out here a little bit early, but we wanted to make sure we have a really great spot.
We actually came over here from Jungle Cruise, which was a lot of fun. I think they have a new fireworks show for the 50th anniversary, so it's going to be a lot of fun.
Tonight we gather in a most enchanting place, one overflowing with magic.
fireworks with the mad dash of people. It was absolutely amazing. Mike's like trying to drag me through these crowds, and this is the max speed I can do right now. My feet are killing me. So now we need to catch the boat back to our campsite. Fort Wilderness Campground.
Wait, where? Oh, that's us.
Yes.
Thank you.
Arguably the best thing that has happened to us all day. Food trucks. After I thought I was gonna have to cook something at the campsite, I'm willing to spend money to eat right now because we're starving. And this is just heaven sent right now. Look at all these food trucks. What is that? Pizza Conic?
I have no idea what this could possibly be.
Yeah.
Except for good.
Yes.
It has to be good.
I'm like actually incredibly excited that there's food trucks here because I'm starving.
You're moving around a lot.
Huh?
You're moving around a lot.
Because my feet hurt. I can't stand still or I focus too much on the pain. Looks like literal cups of cheese. And I couldn't be more excited.
That smells really good.
I was gonna say that we could take these back to our campsite, but I'm legit starving, so I might even just eat them here. We'll eat on the way.
Okay.
Oh, then I might have to eat at the campsite. It's rather hot. This is gonna be torture.
We're at the bus stop and we couldn't wait.
Pizza cone. I don't even know if it's good.
Tastes like the best thing in the world right now. It's good. We are back in the van. Mike's eating some more cereal because although those cones were good, we were starving. Definitely raided our food area when we got back to the van. But yeah, overall a very successful day at Magic Kingdom. Feels good to be back in Disney, almost surreal. The only thing that I know that it was real is because my feet hurt so bad right now. But yeah, I think we're going to sit down honestly for a couple minutes and then go take a shower and do it all over again tomorrow.
So tomorrow is Animal Kingdom. We're really excited about that. We're gonna have to wake up early because there are a few rides that are incredibly popular, leading to incredibly long wait lines. So if we get there early, we can try and beat those. We're gonna see if we can actually get up on time tomorrow.
Wish us luck. Good night.